Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Yim Hang and I will teach you how to make a special dessert. The dessert is a combination of eclair and tiramisu. It's called eclair tiramisu. Eclair is a classic French dessert. The dough is called pastry, also called pastry dough, and tiramisu is the Italian famous cream coffee dessert. It's a beautiful combination. Get ready. Let's start it. For the eclairs, first making the pastry dough, the ingredients are 160 grams water, 70 grams of unsalted butter, 90 grams all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, and 3 large eggs. In a medium saucepan, heat the water and the butter have fully melted and start to boil it. Add all the flour at once. Stir it with a spatula until the dough comes together. It will form a pastry dough. It takes 2-3 minutes for this. Transfer the pastry dough to the mixing bowl of a stand mixer. Fix with a flat hook on a lower speed. Stir the pastry dough until the steam is almost gone. The dough needs to cool it down before you add in the egg, because the egg will cook in the hot steam, so it won't puff enough. So it will take about 2-3 minutes. If you do by hand, it might take longer. Crack the eggs into a small bowl and add the first egg slowly to the dough. Add 1 egg at a time and mix the pastry dough until fully incorporated. And repeat the same process until the last egg. Scraping the side and the bottom up. It takes 5-7 minutes. If you do by hand, it might take longer. This is the right consistency you are looking for a pastry dough. The dough dripping down like a D-shape from the flat hook. Alright, so it's not too thick or not too thin. It's the perfect consistency. Now it's ready to piping. Feed with a large round tip. I use this tip for eclair and churros. Spoon the dough into a pastry bag. Piping the eclair into 4-inch long eclair. Only squeeze one at the beginning as you pipe each eclair. So don't add any more pressure after the initial squeezes. Try to make it nice and even, so it will make 12 pieces of 4-inch size. So I bake my eclair in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So it depends on the heat of the oven. You might need longer or less, alright? So the eclair is baked. Let's make a filling for it. Tiramisu eclair. Coffee flavor with chocolate on top of that. I love it. I love this. So I hope you like it too. So let's start it. For the recipe, let's start with 250 ml of heavy cream, 240 grams of mascarpone cheese, 90 grams of white chocolate, 3 grams of non-flavored gelatin. Add 2 tablespoons of cold water to plump the gelatin. In the medium saucepan, add the cream and 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and bring it to boil. Wow, it smells so good. It smells so nice. I love coffee flavor. Then add the white chocolate and the gelatin. Stir it until the chocolate completely melted. Then add the cheese and stir the mixture until it's smooth. Remove from the heat. I add a quarter teaspoon of ground espresso. This is give a stronger coffee flavor. Transfer the ganache to the container to keep it cold in the fridge overnight. The coffee ganache that I made yesterday, now I'm ready for whipping it up and filling. So now the eclair is already baked. I whip the cream up to soft thick for piping the filling. I use this tip for piping the filling. If you don't have this tip, you can use the small round tip and poke a hole before you piping the filling. From the back of the eclair, I piping the filling, but don't overfill it. It will come off. Now they're all being filled and ready to dip in chocolate. So I melt my chocolate in microwave. To melt a chocolate microwave, make sure you stir the chocolate in every 20 seconds so the heat goes evenly, not to burning the chocolate. Sprinkle the top of the eclair with the cocoa powder, just like a tiramisu. And that's it. It's ready to eat, right? Well, give it a try and enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.